Hey guys, it's Adobe Masterclass and welcome to today's tutorial. It's your boy K Show. Woo! Yeah, I'm super excited to share this tutorial with you. Today's tutorial is going to be simple and clean. Don't forget, Adobe Masterclass is a training that focuses on training you on graphics design, video editing, and motion graphic. So let's get straight down into today's tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can use the blending mode to creatively blend two images together in Photoshop. So first, let me create my new canvas. I'm just gonna make that a square. So let me just select this one here. You can give it a name you want and you click create. Okay, so I have my canvas right here ready for me. So it's time to bring in my images. Okay, so I'm gonna press Ctrl O on my keyboard and I'll be able to launch my file explorer. Let me browse to my document. Yup. So I have two images that I'm bringing in. I have this image right here of Will Smith and I have this stadium floodlight images. I'm gonna select both of them by using Control and click on open. Okay, so it's in Photoshop right now, and the only thing I need to do now is to drag both of them into this new canvas. So let me start with Will Smith. I'll click, drag, and drop him. Boom. So he's right here where I want him to be. Maybe I'll just Ctrl T to expand him a little bit. Something like this is fine. Center him. Okay, great. And let me move that up. And I have this stadium floodlight that I'm going to be bringing in right now. Okay, so just make sure everything looks nice and clean here. I'll go back to this tab, bring in the stadium floodlight, and drop it into this canvas. I'm going to press Ctrl T to adjust the sizes. Okay, oops. I'm going to press Ctrl T to adjust the sizes and drag this the way I want it to be. So let me make this very big. Ctrl minus to zoom out. Click, drag, let it be big, let it be big. Press enter to confirm that. And all I need to do to make the magic happen is to change the blending mode of this lens flare from normal to screen. Don't mind me, I'm just excited. So right here is where you change the blending mode of any image, and if I change that from normal to screen, I get the magic happens. Okay, right here you can see the way this looks. It looks as if he has this floodlights behind him, and you can see the way it beautifully reflects on him, and this looks so real. Okay, it looks so real. I can even reduce the opacity of the light a little bit, just to make sure that that is nice, and then I can bring up the vibrance of the lens flare. No, let me adjust the levels. I'll go to image adjustment, where you are levels, and just increase the shadows and increase the highlights a little bit, increase the shadows some more. Fantastic, great. And there you have it, guys. I'm going to export this and I'm done with my design. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next Adobe Masterclass tutorial. Woo!